Hi, how are you?
I'm doing wonderfully.
And your name is?
My name is TJ Conroy, and I'm very pleased and proud to work at Marcello's in Bordentown.
Wonderful, and they have amazing food.
In addition to have amazing food, they have a wonderful retractable alfresco roof.
And how easy it is to operate.
It is so easy that a woman my size, who is 5 foot and approximately 113 pounds, can with ease, in approximately 5 to 7 minutes, open and retract the roof with little to no effort, because it is marvelously engineered.
Well, thank you very much. Actually, I'm going to go around and I'm going to show how big this enclosure is. And as you can see, presently it's closed. Beautiful. Well, thank you. Well, thank you very much.
To the rear of the building,
Yeah. Well, thank you. I'm happy that you enjoyed it.
and most unique
Yes.
is the ease at which the enclosures fit with very little to no interface or interference, which is critically important at the slightest hint of inclement weather.
And what's your background?
My background is electromechanical engineering.
And so what do you think about the roller cover product?
I think it is marvelously engineered. It is engineered for whether a large gentleman or a petite woman like myself can quickly adjust and adapt to treat our guests to alfresco dining or in close dining at the slightest hint of inclement weather, which is critically important when you're giving your customers a fine dining experience, as we do here at Marcello's
In Bordentown?
in Bordentown, New Jersey.
Wonderful. Well, thank you very much.
I thank you.
I appreciate it.